Racing, we have Remind Me. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up now on the outside is King Rampire. Orthodox got to know. Security Charm alongside who's the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have King Rampire by about 3 lengths. Remind Me in second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Security Charm. Orthodox is down on the inside fourth, while Got to Know now racing in less, and as they swing down the back we have King Rampire, a solo leader, maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Remind Me in second. Got to Know moving up now on the outside. In the middle portion is Security Charm, while Orthodox now racing in less. Inside the tres octavo we have King Rampire by about 6 lengths. Remind Me in second, and on the outside is Got to Know. Security Charm in the middle portion fourth, while Orthodox is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have King Rampire by about 4 lengths. I Got to Know in second. Security Charm, Remind Me, while Orthodox still racing in last as they swing for home. We have King Rampire, while the rider Jackie Rodeo Garcia Fernandez now saying come on, let's go. King Rampire now by about 5 lengths over Got to Know, and finally King Rampire. Second is Got to Know, Security Charm, Orthodox, and Remind Me.
Wow, look at the double sales.
Uy, oo nga.
My golly, 1,366,000.